So in this video, I'm going to show you how to dispense drugs, one, and also how to add quantities through batches. And that's I will advise to be done for the first time you are actually doing your stock take. Subsequently, you use the requisition module or the requisition page to do your requisition. So I'm going to go straight to show you how to I'm going to show you how to dispense drugs. So let's go to patient prescription. I'm already at patient prescription. So I have some drugs for the 14th. So you can go to any date in front or at the back to actually, any date at the back, previous date to dispense drugs. So I'm going to 14th. I have a client there. So new patient prescription. So I'll select the patient. So when I click, I will see select patient here. I'll see all the patients in the list, and the system will automatically arrange them according to first come first serve basis. So whoever came first will be on the top. Whoever came second will be following next. So that's in order. If the list is long, you can just type the person's name, maybe James, and the person will pop up, right? But if you can see the person in the list, you can just click on the person's name. Then you're going to give you the details of the drug. Now, if a drug has been in the system for more than 12 hours, the color here will be red. As you can see, this is more than 12 hours. But if the drug was prescribed less than 12 hours, it will remain blue. So this is where you can actually unserve a drug, meaning in case you don't have a drug, you can just unserve from the system. So you click on the number and then unserve it. So here you look at the dosage and then enter the quantity here. So I'm assuming this is the right quantities. This is actually what do you call it, dummy work. So don't actually. So once you enter it, it's going to give you the total here. So here what you do is you communicate to the patient if the patient can pay, and then you, by default, when you select the patient, it's going to automatically select the pay all. Select it. The pay is disabled. It only shows when the person says either there's a top up for the person to pay, usually with the private insurance and NHIs and other policies. But with cash related patients, this will automatically be disabled and only automatically check these ones for you. So you enter your quantities and then you send to what billing. So once you send to billing, there are two ways. One of the ways is that once the person pays, automatically the drug will be dispensed by the system. And another way is that once the person pays, the person will bring receipt, and then the pharmacist or the MCA or whoever is there will now dispense the drug by him or herself. So these are the options available. But the preferred option is once the drug is what is dispensed. So once the person pays, the drug is automatically what dispensed. But for those who don't use that option, what happens is once the drug is paid, they bring the receipt, and then the pharmacy will come and check these ones, and then dispense the drug. It is very, very important that so if your system is using the automatically dispense when the person pays, you don't need to do this thing. Once you send, you just leave it. You don't. If we do this, and there will be doubled what a deduction. So it's very important that if your people use the option of pay dispense, then this side should not be on, should not be used. So that's basically that. So that is how the drug is dispensed. This one is to know what do you call it, the complaints and the diagnosis of the patient. And here, if you want to print the prescription, if you want to print everything here, you can actually print here. This is to refresh this side is used to refresh the list here, and here is to sell some stuff at the pharmacy. This thing. So here is look at the number of patients currently on detention with drugs and processed. So these are patients who are currently detained whose drug has not been processed. So this is for information. So basically, this is how the drugs are dispensed. So let's see how you can add drugs to your system through batches. Count the product batches. Select the new product in batch, the dates, and then the drugs that you want to add, right? So here you add the quantity. So you use this one to take stock for the first time. You can add a batch number and a description, which are optional. Expiry date is also optional. If the drug has an expiry date, it's very important to enter it. But if not, you can just ignore it. So as soon as I save it, all these quantities will be added to the stock. So I save this, and then it will be added to the stock. So this is how you, what do you call it? You add quantities to your stock. It can also be used to take your stock taking for the first time.